Hi YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. You might recognise this wall behind me from the previous video. If you haven't seen this video, go on my channel, check it out. It's a cool video with my cousin Bion. Sorry Bion, but today I'm going to be doing a refresh over this wall. It's lasted a week out here, but Halloween's over, and I'm going to be doing a Guy Fawkes on top of this. So Guy Fawkes themed wall today for fireworks. It's fireworks tonight. So this is the first skip full. I'm expecting this to be taken away today and a new skip, an empty skip replaced, so skip number 2. And we're going to have to crack on. Got 2 weeks to fill the second skip. So you may notice a few paint splatters on my face, but yeah, that's because I've just emulsioned the entire wall in a few seconds, lightning speed, and I'm not afraid to get dirty Dems. That's where I get my name from, always. So I've got the doodle grid on, and I've mapped out the Guy Fawkes mask, and yeah, if you're not using doodle grid by now and you do characters, you need to get onto doodle grid. So what you do is you spray the doodles onto the wall, take a picture on your phone of those doodles, then photo impose on an app the image you're trying to paint, make it transparent, and then you can use the grid as a guidance when you're sketching up. So yeah, that's the doodle grid. And if you don't know about Guy Fawkes, well, basically we celebrate the 5th of November over here in the UK, and it's like a fireworks night, and basically our sort of government have made it a tradition to celebrate, and basically it's kind of mocking the failure of Guy Fawkes, who tried to blow up the Houses of Parliament. I personally feel that if he had succeeded, that probably would have been a better thing for our world, the Western world. But yeah, oh well, hopefully we have a new Guy Fawkes one day. So it's just lightly raining, just like a drizzle, but you see the mask is coming together. I'm almost done with the Guy Fawkes face, and then I can start with my lettering. So just got the Guy Fawkes mask on there, it's completed. It's been on and off kind of rain, like that drizzly misty rain today, and hoping to get my letters filled out in a couple of hours before any sort of proper downpour. But yeah, we're going to start racing through the letters now. So got my letters sketched up on there, and I'm adding bright colours, so flat. I'm going for a bit of a funky piece today. Normally I keep it simple and do characters, but I'm going to add lots of colours. There's going to be lots going on in here, and yeah, just having a bit of fun with the lettering today. The reason I'm going for these bright different colours is to kind of represent the fireworks, and we got the Guy Fawkes mask, so yeah, it's a bit of a theme going on. Okay, so Polen jumped on the wall. He messaged me about doing something today, and he's turned up and he's done a piece there. And I've got my base colours on, nice bright popping colours. Now I'm going to add some fluoro kind of dust, a bit similar to Polen's, around the edge of the piece, and then key line it with a black. Maybe add a few more fluoro colour. Maybe add a few more fluoro colours here and there, and then we're nearly done. So yeah, I've just dusted on the green with the fluoro, and now I'm going to do a key line in black around the edges. Take two. So I've done the key line in black, and now I'm just going around the corners on the edges with a lighter colour, and I might use some fluoro just to emphasise the sharpness of the letters. So you can see I've got the fluoro, it's fluoro red. I'm just going to add it on these corners here just to give it a bit more of an edge, a bit pointier. See that? It just glows, just makes it sharper. So I've got my fluoro colours on there, and it's definitely made the piece pop. You can see the difference in contrast on the edges, it's giving it more life. So yeah, really happy with that. Just going to add a few more finishing touches and maybe some hit ups in white, and then I'm done. So this is my piece, funky colours, something a bit different. If you've liked this flavour, let me know if you like this sort of style and you want to see more of this, and I'll try and do that. But yeah, normally I just fill out the pieces with fades and stuff, but this time I've really gone to town with colours and shapes and stuff like that. So we've reached the end of the video. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.